Okay, grade 3, so we're going to talk about our number line methods today. You're going to see I've counted out the spacing and drawn my lines already, and then I'm going to show you how to add it. So why the lines are like this for the plus, I've counted 1, 2, 3, 4 down, and then I've drawn my line here, so I know I've got enough space for my jumps. So I've marked my dot, and I'm going to write my first number down, which is 333. Then I'm going to do my first step, which is to plus the hundreds, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to jump to there. Always do that in the beginning so you make sure you got enough space to jump and write your numbers. Okay, so it's plus 400. Okay, now I'm going to ignore the tens and units and only look at the hundreds because of the zeros. 4 plus 3 is 7. And then I'm going to bring my 2 at the back because of the zeros. Okay, there we go. Sorry. And then we're going to do the next step, which is the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's jump to there. And we're going to jump. Plus the tens, which is 40. Here I'm going to ignore the units only because that's where the 0 is. So I'm going to be looking at the 4 and the 73. I'm going to ignore the units for now. So 73 plus 4 is 77. I'll write that in. And now I can bring my units at the back. 3 plus nothing is 3. Okay, then the last step is the units. Also space it out nicely. Plus 4. Okay, we count on 773 plus 4. Now there's nothing left to ignore or block, so we say 773 plus 4, and we count on 774, 75, 76, 77. 777 is our answer. Now we're going to go on to the minusing method. Now I cannot start on the same side, because when we're minusing, we count backwards. So I'm going to start on the opposite end, okay? And I'm going to start with my first number. You're going to see I'm going to do my little minusing magic trick again. Because I'm minusing 444 here, I should end up with this number as my answer. So let's start. 777. And what I like to do is I like to jump underneath so that I remember where to do it. Okay, space it out nicely. I'm going to minus the hundreds first. Minus 400. Okay, so I'm going to ignore the tens and units because of the zeros. I'm just going to look at the hundreds. 7 minus 4 is 3. And then I'm going to put the tens and units at the back. 77 stays the same. Okay, then we do our next thing to minus, which is the tens. So space it out nicely. Minus 40. Now I'm going to ignore only the units because that's where the 0 is. So I'm going to look at 37 minus 4. And 37 minus 4 is 33. And then I'm going to put the 7 at the back because remember, that doesn't change. The last step is your units. So 337 minus 4. Now I just count backwards. 333. And voila. Now I know I got the correct answer because I got back to this one. Now, but that is just something interesting to note. But the main thing is to remember how to do the method.